Yes, friends. So, in last discussion, we discussed about the surface area of solid shapes, in which we discussed about cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Today, we will discuss about the volume. So, first off, I will try to know what is the volume. Volume of solid shape. Volume of solid shapes. So volume means capacity, how much it means liquid or air any solid can contain. This is the meaning of volume. So volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid base area is multiplied by height. We will get the capacity of the cuboid. So this is the shape of a cuboid. Shape of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Base is length multiplied breadth. Base area is length multiplied breadth. If it is multiplied by height, we will get the volume. So multiplied by height. Length multiplied breadth multiplied by height. Cube centimeter. So this is the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Have you understood? Now volume of cube. Volume of cube. Same length, breadth and height. If we multiply all, we will get volume. But in cube, all the dimensions are same. So length A, breadth A, height A. So A cube centimeter. Suppose this is cube. It means length, breadth and height all are equal. So we will denote by A. So A cube centimeter. This is the formula for finding the volume of a cube. So now some questions related to volume of cube and cuboid. So one question. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to 1000 cube centimeter. So we have to find the total surface area of cube. Volume of cube is 1000 cube centimeter. So we have to find total surface area. So because volume is given, therefore A cube is equal to 1000. A cube is equal to 1000. Now A cube and 1000 is cube of 10. 10 cube. Is it clear? Yes, because 1010 written 10 raised the power 3. So 10 cube. Now base are same. So compare their powers, or you can take cube root. On taking cube root both the sides. On taking cube root both the sides. On taking cube roots both the sides. So this symbol stands for cube root. So you know cube will cut to cube root. So A will be 10. A will be 10. A stands for side. So side of a cube. So side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we have to find total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube. 6 into side square. 6 into side square. So 6 multiplied by 10 square. 10 square means 100. So 6 multiplied by 100. So 600 square centimeter. So this is the total surface area of a cube whose volume was given 1000 cube centimeter. So to find area, first find the side. It means dimension of a cube. So that is 10. Now after that apply the formula. What is the formula for finding the total surface area? 6 into side square. So it will be 600 square centimeter. Any doubt, any confusion? Yes. Clear? Okay. Now side of a cube are given. Sides of a cuboid are 4, 3 and 2 centimeter respectively. So we have to find volume of cube. You know side cube. Now volume of cuboid, length multiply breadth multiply by height. Volume of cuboid, length multiply breadth multiply by height. So length is 4, breadth is 3, height is 2. 4 3 are 12, 12 8 are 24. So 24 cube centimeter. So this is the volume of a cuboid. Any doubt, any confusion? So there is no problem to find the volume of cube and cuboid, only formula based exercise. Next, we have to find volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. So this is cylinder. So about cylinder I discussed already when I talked to you about surface area and total area of a lateral area and total area of a cylinder. Now this is the base radius, this stands for r, this stands for height. So volume of any solid, if base area is multiplied by height, we will get the capacity of the solid. Now base of a cylinder is circle. So base area is pi r square. If it is multiplied by height, we will get the volume. Yes or no? So radius of a cylinder, 7 centimeter. Radius of a cylinder is 7 centimeter. Height of a cylinder, 10 centimeter. So we have to find the volume. So to find the volume, because I told to you base is circle, so circle's area is pi r square and this is height. So if base area is multiplied by height, we will get the capacity and volume, same thing, volume of a solid. So this solid is cylinder. So base of a cylinder is circle. So base area is pi r square and if I will multiply by height, we will get the volume. So height is 10 centimeter. So volume of a cylinder, pi r square h. So value of pi 22 by 7. Radius is already given. What is radius? 7 multiplied by 7. Height is 10. So cut it. Now it will be 1540 cube centimeter. So this is the capacity, this is the volume of a cylinder. Any doubt, any confusion? Now some questions related to cylinder. Okay. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. So what is the statement? The circumference of the base of a cylinder. The circumference of the base of a cylinder. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter. 132 centimeter, and its height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of a cylinder. Of a cylinder, height of the cylinder. Now circumference of a cylinder is given. So what is the formula for finding the circumference? 2 pi r. So this is the cylinder. Base circumference. Base is circle. So circumference of the base of the base 132 centimeter. 132 centimeter. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of a cylinder. Circumference of the base is 132 centimeter. So you know the formula for finding the circumference, 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 132. So 2 value of pi 22 by 7, radius is equal to 132. Is equal to 132. So radius is equal to 132. 7 2, take reciprocal, 7 by 22 by 2. So 22 6 the 132, 2 3 the, so radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder is 32 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Value of pi 22 by 7. Radius is 21. Height is 25. Height is 25. So 7 3s are 21. So 550 multiplied by 63. So 550 multiplied by 63. So 34,650 cube centimeter. So this is the volume of a cylinder. Any doubt, any confusion? Have you understood? Okay, so this also formula based exercise. So the questions related to cylinder you have to try yourself. Now next is cone. This is all for today. In next discussion, we will discuss about the volume of a cone and volume of a surface, volume of a sphere. So thank you.